Hi, Cam from Cam's Leather Seats here. So what is a leather seats trim kit? Well, I'm gonna give you a short answer and then I'm gonna tell you what it's not and then I'll get into a bit more detail. The shorter answer is that a leather seats trim kit is the upholstery part of the seat, the upholstery component that goes on top of and properly connects to the seat foam and frame and completes the seat. It's a replacement part for the upholstery on top. What is it not? It is not a cheap, poor quality, slip over the top seat cover. This part needs to be properly attached to the seat so it doesn't move around. It's made from far higher quality materials than slip over the top seat covers. It does require more time and effort to install properly, which you can do yourself, you can have us do, or you can find a local trimmer if you're somewhere else in the country or around the world. So now let's get to the more detailed description and show you a bit more of what it really entails. There are three main components to any vehicle's seat. There's the seat frame, this is one example. The seat foam pad. There's the leather trim. Different foams and different trims for different seats, depending on the manufacturer and the year and whatever that it was made, have different systems for how the trim is attached to the foam and the frame. This is one style of system, which is a listing part that is clipped down to the foam with something called a C-clip, which we have pliers for, or it can be called hog ring pliers. Another system is a Velcro part. I'll show you a couple of those on some of our trims. So this is a VE leather cover, and it has a Velcro system mainly. It also has plastic retainers, J retainers we call them, on the sides, which clip onto the frame. So all of our leather covers come with the same style attachments as the factory trims did. So whatever you remove, the new replacement leather covers will attach in exactly the same way. One of the great things about our aftermarket leather seat trims is that you can have a very factory style trim, fairly plain, with detailed stitching, and that's about it, and have a very factory looking interior. Or we can totally customize it for you. This right here is for a Monaro. The customer wanted something that stood out a lot more. Still wanted the factory red hot leather, but wanted some diamond stitching added also. Well, that's a description, guys. I hope that was informative. I hope you understand more what a leather seat trim kit is. They can also be called leather skins, leather seat skins, and it's the upholstery part that replaces either your old cloth fabric upholstery or your old worn and tired leather trim. Freshens everything up. If you want to see more informative videos, we're going to be doing a heap more, and we're also going to be doing lots more installation how-to videos. If you want to see all of that, please follow us on all the socials, which we have links to down there, and add yourself to our email mailing list. That'd be great, and we'll keep in touch. Links down there. Cheers.